Let's segue now into division of positive and negative fractions. We have just ordinary fractions. There are no mixed numbers in this, so we're going to just apply our rules for division of fractions. We're going to save our sign, our famous question here, for the answer. So we're going to keep the first fraction, change the operation to multiplication, and use the reciprocal. That's the turnaround of the second fraction. Check on the diagonals to see if we can do any kind of simplification. Well, 5 will divide into itself once and once here as well. And on the other diagonal, we have even numbers. So 2 will divide into 8 4 times, 3 times. Now it's time to actually do our multiplication of the numerators. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Our question, are the signs the same? We're going to go back to the original to see, are those signs the same? Yes. Yes is a positive response to that question. So we are going to use a positive sign, and that would be our final answer. You can see it's in lowest terms because it's in counting order. Next one. Again, we have just common fractions, so we're going to copy the first fraction, change the operation symbol, and use the reciprocal. We'll carry our signs with it as we go. Let's check the diagonals. We have a possibility here. 9 and 12 are in the 3's line. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 4 times into 12. The other diagonal doesn't give us any leeway. There's no way we can reduce or simplify 5s and 11s. 11 is a prime number, so is 5 actually, but the jump out rule for 5 would be that both numbers would have to end in a 0 or a 5. So this is not going to be workable. All right, so let's use it. 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 11, 33. Let's see if we can simplify this. Are they both even? No. Do they both end in 0s or 5s? No. Twin double digits? 33 is, but not 20. If we have to check for 3s and 9s, that would be the adding of the digits. In this case, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 3 will work into 6. But 2 plus 0 is 2, so 3 is not going to work here. Pass on that divisibility rule. 7s. No, 7 will not work in either of those either. Now we're going to have to even just think about our prime numbers that we haven't covered yet, like 13. 13 won't work into 20 evenly. 17, no. 19, no. And now the next prime, 23, is over the mark. So this is in lowest terms. Let's check out our sign. We're going to go back to the original. Are the signs the same? No. No is a negative answer. It gets a negative symbol.